Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install VS Code on Windows. So first we have to go to Google and search for VS Code. We will click on the first link. Okay, as you can see we have a blue button called download for Windows. If you are on Mac, you can download for Mac or Linux. For me I am on Windows, so I'm gonna click the button, then click save. Great, so after downloading the file, now we have to run it, so double click on it. A window will pop up and we have to accept the agreement. After that we have to choose the path where we want to download the VS Code. For me I will leave it like this. Next I want to create a desktop application and install. Perfect, so now the installation has been completed. We can launch VS Code or we can uncheck this one and click finish. We have a VS Code desktop icon. So as you can see we have a toolbar on the left. If we click on Explorer, here we can open a file, we can clone a repository from GitHub. The second icon is search. The third one is source control for GitHub. Debugging, if we are like coding in Python, we can debug our code. And the final one is extensions. The cool thing about Visual Studio Code is that we can install extensions like Python, we can install C++, we can install Jupyter. Also we can install SSH if we want to connect to a remote host. All you have to do is click on the extension and install.